Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm making shrimp sauce fried rice with minced pork, and this is a subscriber request. So let's review the ingredients. I have some day-old cooked rice, ground pork, eggs, yellow onion, ginger garlic, a couple of Thai chili peppers, green onion, seasoning salt mix, sugar, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil. And for the shrimp sauce, I'm using the YuCanCook brand. And there's other brands out there, and you'll also see it labeled as a shrimp paste. So shrimp paste and shrimp sauce are one and the same. For the prep, let's start off with marinating the pork. I'm going to add a little bit of the seasoning salt mix here. Sesame oil. Shaoxing wine. Just give this a good mix. Okay, that looks good. So set this aside and let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. And next we can mince the ginger, garlic, and the Thai peppers. Okay, that's good. And for the peppers, I'm going to seed it and mince it. And if you like it a little spicier, you can leave the season. This is going to give the fried rice a little bite, or you can leave it out totally. All together. Next, let's mince the yellow onion. Okay. Okay, we'll also mince the green onion. And next, let's crack and whisk the eggs. Just give it a good whisk. That looks good. Put this aside. And lastly, we'll mix some of the shrimp sauce with a bit of sugar and water. And shrimp sauce has a very funky, pungent aroma. It's maybe acquired taste. If you like eating salted fish, fermented bean curd, or anchovies, you might like this. Give it a try. It's actually very aromatic. So we're gonna add a bit of sugar. That's going to help balance out the saltiness. And we'll mix this up to a smooth paste. So when we use it with the fried rice, it's going to be evenly distributed. And the flavors is not just clumped up. Okay, so all the prep is done. We'll just wait a few more minutes for the ground pork to marinate and we can start cooking.
Okay, I have the wok set at a medium-high heat. The first thing we're going to do is cook the eggs. We'll add a bit of oil. We'll add the eggs. And I'm going to cook this to a soft scramble. Okay, that's done. Let's remove it from the wok. And I'm going to just wipe out the wok a little bit. And next we'll cook up the pork. We'll add some oil. Add the pork. And this only takes about a minute to cook up. That looks good. Let's remove it from the pan. We have to add a little bit extra oil. We'll cook off the onion. I'm going to add the ginger and garlic and pepper. We'll stir this for about 30 seconds. Now we'll add the rice. And I'm just spreading it out a bit. Let the rice heat up here. Add a bit of the olive oil, add a bit of the sesame oil. I'm gonna let it cook for about 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna give it a toss. We'll let the other side cook a little bit too. Then while it's cooking, add a little bit of the seasoning salt. White pepper. I'm going to distribute the shrimp sauce. Give this a good toss. Let's return the pork. Break up the eggs a little bit. In small bits. We'll add it to the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of Shaoxing wine. And add the green onions. And I'm going to leave a little bit for garnish. Just toss this for like a minute to combine all the flavors. And this smells really good here. Okay, this is done. Turn off the heat. And let's serve this. We can add a little bit of the green onions on top here. And here we have a super delicious plate of shrimp sauce fried rice with minced pork. This fried rice has a funky, pungent aroma with a strong, savory flavor from the fermented shrimp paste. It may be an acquired taste, but give it a try. I think you'll like it. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes the pork and eggs. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.